Hey friends, today we're going to draw a chimp.
Yeah, playing video games. He has his controller and also headphones. And we also added a little extra fruit falling down. I'm not sure. Maybe he hit the bonus level.
Yeah.
We're using our markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Hey parents and teachers, did you know we have a special place to draw without any ads or distractions? You can watch all of our lessons on artforkidshub.tv or in our official app available on Apple, Android, Roku, and more. It's the best way to draw together as a family or in the classroom anytime, anywhere, and without interruptions. Check it out and subscribe at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start by drawing our little monkey, well, chimp. I'm going to call him a monkey a lot, but we're not going to draw a monkey tail. We're drawing a chimp. We're going to draw the little nostrils for his nose right in the middle of our paper. I'm just going to draw two little dots. This is going to look like a smiley face too. And then we're going to draw the mouth. Sometime we have to just make a cartoon out of that.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we're going to draw the eyes. I'm going to draw one right here. I'm going to draw a small little oval and then a small little oval on the right to match. I like how big you drew your ovals. They're a lot bigger than mine. That's awesome. And it's okay if our friends want to change it too. All right, now let's draw our chimp's face. We're gonna draw the chin and cheeks, and then we're gonna draw over to the other side. Yes, and then we're gonna draw the top of our chimp's head, chimpanzee. Just looks like a smiley face. Man, yours is my favorite. I wish I would have drawn mine like yours. Okay, now let's draw the headphones, our gaming headphones. Kind of looks like the ears for our chimpanzee.
Yeah.
And then headphones over here too. Yes, then we're gonna start here and we'll draw the pad on the headphones. And then let's draw the headband that connects. We're gonna draw it coming over to the other side. Doesn't look like a chimpanzee. We're gonna have to color it and draw the little face mask.
Yeah.
But let's keep going. We're gonna draw the game controller next. Let's draw a straight line right under the chin. Then we're gonna curve around on the left and then curve the other way on the right side. Then we're going to draw a short diagonal line coming up. And then we'll connect those together. Okay, let's add the little controls or the buttons. I'm going to draw a plus on this side. Then we could add two little dashes on the middle. And then I think we could use colors for the buttons on this side.
Oh yeah.
Kind of looks like an old school game controller. Let's draw the hands next. We're going to draw a thumb coming up and around and a thumb on this side too. Then let's curve around for the rest of the hand, coming down and then connecting to the bottom of the controller. And then the same thing over on this side. Next, let's draw our little chimpanzee's arms. We're gonna start on the cheek and then we're gonna curve around and then attach to the bottom of the little hand. And the same over here. And then right here, let's draw the other side of the arm. We're gonna draw a short line that comes in. And I love that your arms are a little different. So you could draw yours really short.
Yeah.
And then let's draw the armpit line coming up. Yeah, there we go. Okay, next we gotta draw the feet. Let's draw a sideways letter U right below each of the hands. And then we're gonna draw the toes. Let's draw kind of the big toe first. We're gonna draw a smaller upside down U. And then we can draw the toes. So I'm gonna draw little curves like this and then connect in. The little pinky toes sticking down. And we're gonna draw more toes on this side. My toes look funny. I like yours. You have a lot of toes. That's awesome.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, you got 5. Nice.
Four,
I only have 4. Okay, next let's draw the knees sticking out and then touching the arms on both sides. And then we could also draw the other side of the leg coming up from the heel and then connecting to the hands. Yep, and then let's draw the bottom of our monkey or chimp's body. It doesn't really quite look like a chimpanzee playing video games. We still need to do what?
Color it.
Yes, it'll look so much better once we color. This part we'll fast forward, so remember to pause the video and color your drawings too. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
We did it! We finished coloring our little chimps and they turned out awesome. I especially love yours. Man, how do you always make the cutest face?
I don't know.
Look at those eyes,
I
man.
know. And then if you just look at the nose and the mouth, it looks like a smiley face.
Another face. Yeah. I also really like the fruit that you have falling, so I had to add fruit too. I just added bananas, but I like your, what are these guys?
Pears and apples.
Oh,
Yeah.
those are awesome. You guys could add even more things to your background, maybe a whole living room. And oh, you could also draw your system and the TV.
Oh, yeah.
That would be awesome.
That would be awesome. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.